Father God, me just sorry say my mother never write one will before she gone. Only because none of us do not know when we are leaving. So everything are basically for the whole of we same way. You understand what I just say?
Yeah, me understand.
You know some I love you already. You are my sister and I'm my brother that I love on you dearly. You understand?
Who forget the house? And from say who forget the house, I don't know say from mama or papa dead left house and a one house and how much sibling you know what go on, you know.
Maggy Films.
Maggy. But yeah, forget somebody to take up the clothes them. Huh? Oh, I'm gonna take up a bath. Oh my God.
Yeah man, me G. Everything good same way man. Me know you couldn't make it for come my funeral, but I say go. You know mama bury already and my sister one over there me I go look for her and look for the house too. So you know me call her back, search for it. Yeah man, if I nothing me make you know what I go on. Look come more then. Go over here and go look what I go on. Alright. G I know you know. Mama did left a nice house give you know. Thank God. Wow. Well you're well clean up already. Like you look. Love you look. Bombados. I feel it for you, no, mama, but glad how you left something for me. Appreciate it, you know. Thank God again. I really this mama did garlic for it. Bombard. Red girl! My sister!
Hey, my bro! Run her back!
How are you?
Run her back!
Ah, me are forward. Where should they? Which man close him up and why my sister have over here? What going on money moving in my mama house, you know? Cause problem over here.
I'm so call back because my chatterbox brother come on now. You know I love chat already.
Red girl,
What?
how we are called chatterbox? Think me not hear you?
Me not say that.
Oh, cause me deaf.
Look so.
See how you?
Who there?
You're good.
Yeah.
Sis, you know say some things are going over here when me not like. Cause while ago me I walk past around the corner there so. And a big man close me a pass pan why I hang out. Remember say me I only son for my mother, you know. My mother never did have a man when she living, you know. So how man close up on the
I
wire?
know man. I want my good friend them man. He beg me to wash clothes for him. I come back for it later. And I'm a man.
So a laundry around.
It's not laundry. I'm a good friend.
A good friend.
Yeah.
Better make sure, you know, cause this a house where mama dead left, you know. I have to split between the two of we, you know, me and you.
So what about big sister? How you left she out of this?
So you worry about big sister, we can do a Jamaica and big sister they are foreign and you worry about her.
So? I throw
Big
away
sister
the
still
house
for
for.
money.
It no matter. I throw away house for.
Shall we?
I'm a tough fuck. The house mostly are for me. Because I'm me there with mama. From mama sick and everything. I'm never see you or my big sister. So I'm mostly for me, you know, in our way.
Hold on, stick up in, red girl. I really that I say.
You hear me?
You know what me come here to talk to you about?
What that?
You see front room, I want to clean out it. Cause by Wednesday, I want to come rent out it. So make sure you take out the things and find somewhere put them.
So hold on there. I'm if I put my things in, if I take out all of my things in.
You find somewhere put them.
Find it where?
Cause a man you want to come
Me not,
enjoy my mama dead left house.
me not have no more man in the house.
How you mean no man no in the
Just
house?
answer the question. When me go put my things in?
It's
I
up
hold
to
my
you.
things up there, so you know.
Look how much room mama dead left on the
No,
house.
that the room there my specific room.
Well, you can't tell me that you're a younger one and you want to come go on like you want, go on like you're a bigger one. Want to come rule things.
Mama saw me basically in charge of the house, you know. I done so your quarters there, you know.
You more
Up here
ask
saw my quarters.
you more ask you. You older than me?
It no matter. Remember say I'm me there mama when mama sick, you know, and me I struggle with mama straight through, you know. And what you do? You take yourself, move out, go and go braff with your friend them because you don't want help. So yeah, you can't come say you want to go rent out room. And that's how you go. That can't work.
Yo, me no matter what you want to say, you know. I'm in a business, man. Me tell her that, you know. I done tell her something already, you know. And I hit her for work with, you know. But me say by Wednesday, everything more have to move out because me have to rent it. As a matter of fact, don't make me get fed up and take a whole house for you know. One room, me tell her
Take
say
which
me want,
house?
you know.
Take which house? You better you go on baby.
Girl,
Because I don't want to you.
You say if you have my sister
Better
today.
you go on. Can't be
Lick
afraid
you
of
out in
you.
that chair right
You
now.
not get no house. Matter of fact, you not but I get
Alright,
no
we done
rent
chat, you know.
too.
When I come back and
Go on,
things
man.
that take out and you see.
You will see.
We done chat.
Go on. If you know your favor. Old idiot. Come here, come claim house. When mama there and mama sitting, none of them not there, you know. And as mama dead, everybody want to come. None of them not get nothing here.
Yo, you know how this a red girl that take man thing for. Look here. Call upon this a man a close. Go here. In a my mother place. Yo. As a matter of fact, the whole of this a place and I feel like if I take for a red girl, you know. See all them a clothes that catch me if you catch them on fire, you know. Alright. Me not a while her. How would this a call me? Yo, where are the youth grab a dog? No, say up on my place, me dey do a dog. I fear boy are the youth, cause me have a room I rent now, you know. Me have well set and line up. By Wednesday, you might get it. You want one too? What you mean, man? A couple room well me have, you know, man, can rent out, you know, man. What you mean, man? A 40 grand they go for, man. 40 grand a month. Alright then. Anytime, man, I just link me, man. Room there, man. Room. Anytime, man. Alright.